In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the default paper size to A4 in Microsoft Word. Having your preferred paper size set up as the default ensures consistency and saves time, especially if you frequently work with documents formatted in A4. Now, let's get started on this straightforward but highly effective customization within Microsoft Word. To kick things off, open up Microsoft Word and start with a new blank document. This step ensures that any changes we make will be applied to future documents, keeping your workflow seamless. Now, once you're inside this blank document, look towards the top of your screen where you'll find something called the ribbon. It's essentially the command center of Word, containing all sorts of useful tools and options that we'll be exploring today. From the ribbon, locate and click on the Layout tab. This tab is crucial because it holds all the settings related to how your document looks on a page, including things like margins, orientation, and, most importantly, paper size. In this Layout tab, you should see a section labeled Page Setup. Within this group of options, there will be a button called Size. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll be treated to a drop-down menu showcasing various page size options. Here you'll want to scroll through the list and select A4, ensuring that your document reflects the dimensions widely used in international standard paper sizes. Let's take things a step further by setting A4 as the default for all new documents. Right next to where you found the Size button, keep your eyes peeled for a tiny arrow in the bottom right corner of the Page Setup group. This is the dialog box launcher. Clicking it opens up the Page Setup dialog box, presenting additional options for fine-tuning your document. Inside this dialog box, direct your attention to the Paper tab. This is where you can see and confirm that the paper size is indeed set to A4. This step is all about verification, making sure we're on track and ready to solidify our preference. Now notice there's a button at the bottom of the dialog box labeled Set as Default. When you click this button, a prompt will pop up asking if you want to change the default setting for page setup. It's letting you know that this change isn't just for this document, but for all new documents using the normal template. Go ahead and agree to this prompt by clicking Yes or OK, ensuring that A4 becomes your new standard for any document you create going forward. With these steps complete, you've set your Microsoft Word to always present you with a fresh A4 size canvas perfectly tailored to your needs. Thanks for following along, and enjoy the simplicity and order of having your documents consistently formatted just the way you like.